Hello friends, in this video let's discuss an error with karate framework, that is exception initialize error because nashon is null. You might have faced this issue when you run a feature file. You might get a exception initialize error and it will show the description. In the description you will be able to see cannot invoke a JavaScript engine nashon. So in this video I'll be explaining how to resolve that issue. Okay, let me run a karate feature file, and using test runner you'll be able to see that error, exception initialize error, and in the description you will be able to see the error cannot invoke javascript.create binding because nashon is null, and how we can resolve this issue and why it is coming. Nashon is a JavaScript engine and our karate framework badly depends on this. And this particular JavaScript engine is removed from the later versions of JDK, right? So if you are using the latest versions of JDK like JDK 15 or 16, this engine is not available. So you will be getting this error whenever you run the karate feature file. So for that you can either change the JDK method or we have another option. Okay, so there are two options to resolve this issue. We will see with the first one. Let me change the JDK version to some other older version. For that you can go to Window, Preferences, and search for Java or expand the Java option, and you can click the install JREs. Here you will be able to see the current JDK version that your project is pointing to. Okay, and if you have other JDK versions available in your system, you can add that JDK version here by clicking add, then click next, and from the directory you can go to the folder location where the JDK is installed. Actually it will be in the program files, so you can go to the program files and open Java. Here you will be able to see all the JDK versions which are available or which are installed in your system, and you can choose the another version. So I have selected JDK 13 version, and then from this location you can click the checkbox against the JDK 13 version and just click apply and close. Now let's run our feature file again. See, now the error is resolved and feature file is successfully running. Also you should be able to see a warning at the top which is Nashon engine is planning to get removed from the future versions of JDK released, right? So it was removed from the JDK 15 version, and that's why it was throwing that error. And let me change it to JDK 15 version again, and let's run the feature file. See, now we are getting the error again, exception initialize error. Now let's see the second method of resolving this issue. Even if you are using the JDK latest versions, that is 15 or 16, you should be still able to resolve this error with a karate method only. We have a karate dependency, karate core, and which is a additional feature which was added to karate latest versions, and you can add that dependency into your POM file and it will resolve all these errors. I'll be soon uploading the new features of the karate latest version 0.0.x. There are some interesting and breaking features, so stay tuned. So we can add the karate core dependency to our POM file and then update your Maven project. Now we can run our feature file again. See, it's taking JDK 15 version and the script is successfully passed without any issues, without any errors, right? The specialty of karate core is it actually comes with all the dependencies that we need. So it's great. It is a greatest improvement, right? Sometimes it is enough to add one and only one dependency, which is karate core, to run our karate feature files that we will see in our next video. And it works with all the JDK versions, JDK 8 and above, JDK 15 and JDK 16 also. Okay, So that's it, guys. We will see with our next video on karate new features. Till then, take care. Bye. Thank you.